Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate Meezan Bank's debit card online. There are different ways that you can activate your Meezan Bank's debit card. So let's get to them one by one. You can go ahead and activate your card by using it on any Meezan Bank's ATMs available and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. Another way is by going and logging into your online banking account. Open up a web browser and in the URL box type in meezanbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You may also open up the Meezan Bank mobile banking application on your mobile devices. Once you get to the home page, look for the login button appearing at the top right hand corner and click on it. And in the pop-up, click on login to log into your existing account. Once you get to the login interface, go ahead and enter your username and your password in the correct text boxes. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or the Password link and follow through the instructions. Always make sure to type in your credential correct and click on Login in order to log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option to activate your debit card, which should be available from the home screen itself. Enter your details for your debit card in the respective text boxes when prompted and you will be able to activate your debit card for Meezan Bank. You can also call the Meezan Bank's helpline number. It will be usually provided on the sticker attached to your debit card, or you can also go ahead and click on this About Us button from the main homepage of Meezan Bank. In the expanded menu, click on Contact Us and you will be able to find the phone numbers you can go ahead and call on in order to activate your debit card. Follow through the instructions provided by the customer service and then this will help you activate your Meezan debit card in just a few simple steps. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.